Imagine you know all the NCERT properties. You walk confidently into an exam, see a question involving tan inverse, apply a formula, and still get the wrong answer. How is that possible? Because inverse trigonometric functions have hidden rules. Today, we'll discover those secrets and learn the advanced properties that separate average students from the top scorers. Let's start with a challenge. Don't solve it yet. Just guess. Many students choose tan inverse 5. Unfortunately, that's wrong. And by the end of this video, you will understand exactly why. These are the basic identities everyone learns. Think of them as alphabet of inverse trigonometric functions. Today, we are moving from alphabet to full conversation. This identity comes from tangent addition formula. Notice something important. The condition xy less than 1 is not for decoration. It is a safety lock. Ignore it and your answer may completely change. Think of these as two roads joining into one highway. Let's test the formula with the help of an example. Here we have to add tan inverse of 1/2 plus tan inverse of 1/3. Since the product is 1/6, which is less than 1, the formula works perfectly. Everything looks easy so far. But now comes the trap. This is where the thousands of students lose marks, where we have to add tan inverse of 2 plus tan inverse of 3. The formula gives negative pi/4 as your answer. But think logically. Tan inverse 2 is positive, tan inverse 3 is also positive. How can adding two positive angles produce a negative angle? Something is clearly wrong. The tangent value only tells us where we are on a line, but multiple angles share the same tangent. We need principal values to identify the correct one. This is much stronger than simply writing formulas. Here is the secret. The formula only tells us the tangent value. It does not always tell us the correct answer. This is why the principal values are so important. The real answer lies in the quadrant 2. And that changes everything. Now look at this. Two positive angles can never add up to a negative angle. The formula gives the tangent value, but geometry gives the correct angle. Hence, the answer is 3π/4. So, here is a simple hack for you to remember. Whenever you see tan inverse plus tan inverse, first check the product. If product is less than 1, directly apply the formula and you get the correct answer. But whenever the product is greater than 1, raise a red flag in your mind. A principal value correction may be waiting. So check for the principal value before your final answer. Addition isn't the only useful identity. Subtraction formula appears frequently in simplification problems and multiple choice questions. Let's use the subtraction identities to solve this example. Without the identity, this question looks impossible. But with the use of the identity, it takes just a few seconds. This identity appears magical. Whenever a number and its reciprocal appear together, they combine into a right angle. But wait, most students memorize only the positive version. Exams love exploiting this mistake. Always check the sign of x before applying the property. So for x less than 0, whenever you add tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of 1/x, the answer is -π/2. Now we enter the world of transformations. Questions often hide tan inverse inside sine inverse or cos inverse. To solve them quickly, we need convergent identities. Instead of memorizing blindly, let's understand it. Convert tan into a right triangle. Once triangle appears, the identity becomes obvious. So in that triangle, opposite side equals x and adjacent side equals 1. And hypotenuse is equal to under root 1 plus x squared. Therefore, sin theta equals x upon under root 1 plus x squared. Here comes the another transformation. One inverse function can wear many disguises. A tan inverse expression may secretly be a cos inverse expression. Now let's move to the famous JEE result. This result surprises students the first time they see it. Three completely different inverse trigonometric terms combine to give beautiful answer. That is pi. We all love shortcuts, and we have one special shortcut for you. JEE loves patterns. Whenever you spot x plus xy equals 1, your brain should immediately think pi by 4. Can you solve this question using the identities we have learnt? Pause the video and try it yourself. This one looks difficult, but a hidden relationship is waiting to be discovered. Most students stop after learning NCERT properties, but advanced problems require deep understanding. Now you know the hidden rules, principal value traps, and powerful shortcuts that appear in competitive exams. In next video, we will solve advanced JEE level inverse trigonometric questions using these properties. Don't miss it.